Try Munai. Welcome back. This is Steve. I would like to continue teaching Kiluba as we started already. We going forward. I have just a little thing to teach today. We're gonna talk about Mwaka because we're talking about the new year. As you know, Mwaka Mupya means new year. I don't want to go deeper. Then I'll present to you that Mwaka means year. Mwaka means year. Mwaka, year. And then Mupya means new. Okay? Mwaka, year. Mupya means new. Mwaka Mupya. Very good. And then in English, you will say new year. It's interesting that in English we go from the bottom up, new year. But in Kiluba we go from top down. Mwaka Mupya. You give, as you said,
the adjective
talking about
first.
the adjective comes first.
Then the verb.
Then the verb, the adjective, then the noun or the word. There's no verb there.
Oh.
I know. And so Mwaka, which is the noun, then the adjective Mupya. And then we have year, start with new, the adjective first, that's English, then the year. That's one thing. Then another thing, we could probably talk Mwaka Wapitile, which means last year. Yeah, last year means Mwaka Wapitile. Mwaka Ukeya, it's next year. So those were the teachings I have today. I don't want to give too many information, but this gives us time to breathe and continue coming up with all those little teachings. And I have many of them. Every day we continue. But I would like you to write to me and write and comment. And I don't know if you have any question. Any questions? No, you're doing fine. You retain Mwaka. Mwaka means what?
Year.
Yeah.
I mean, it's right on the board.
I believe you're cheating. Mwaka means a year. And new means?
Wait. Mwaka.
Mupya. Mupya, not Mupya. Mupya. Yeah, pronunciation is also important. I'll show you at some point. If you don't pronounce well, it takes a different sense, and then people are not gonna understand you well. Mwaka Mupya. Mwaka Wakala. So Mwaka Wapitile means last year. And then Mwaka Ukeya means next year. So thank you for listening. We would like to make it very short because I know that you guys are busy and we all busy in one way or another. But we're learning day after day, one step at a time. And before you know, we speak fluently, better than anyone else who speaking today. So God bless you and see you at next video. Thank you.